What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan back with another video, and today, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna just give y'all a POV of the hood in my city, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all on a stroll. The camera might be a little wobbly, but I'm finna take y'all down memory lane, you know what I'm saying? This is what's considered the hood in my city, you feel me? Like East Jackson, that's where I'm from, where I grew up and shit. I'm gonna just take y'all around, you feel me? Do a little POV drive. It's Saturday. It's hot as a motherfucker, boy. It's like 90 degrees. I ain't even gonna cap y'all down. It's hot as hell. But yeah, we're gonna pull over and give y'all a walk around of the car. I just beamed this boy up, so I'm finna give y'all a walk around of the car. I'm shooting a video, Grandma. I said I'm shooting a video. For YouTube, walk around in my car. You gonna be on the video for me? You don't wanna get in the ride? Grandma's getting the red swear, y'all. You told me when I first got it, you told me when I first got it you was gonna ride with me.
Cap.
Alright, so the first place I'm gonna take y'all through is where my family originated from. So, you know what I'm saying? Lincoln Court, whole Lincoln Street. You feel me? This is where my people from. I think I moved away from over here when I was like 2 years old, but I always used to come back and kick it because my people, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? My people I still got some family members still over here to this day, you feel me? So, I'm gonna take y'all through Lincoln Court real quick. This Lincoln Street right here, man. Damn, they balling through this bitch in this truck. Potholes big as fuck. Big ass craters in the, you know what I'm saying? They need to fix Lincoln. You know what I'm saying? But this the street, you know what I'm saying? I used to be all up and through here. Like I said, I moved from over here when I was like 1 or 2 years old. But my dad and my grandma, you know what I'm saying? Even my mama and them, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. You actually see kids outside, swimming pool. But right now, you know what I'm saying? Here go my auntie crib. You got everybody over here. You feel me? I'm gonna spin back through because we supposed to be having a surprise birthday party for my grandma over here in like a few hours. So, yeah, there's auntie crib. But, yeah, man, here go the hood right here. This is what's considered the hood. Slow down. Make sure I get a good thumbnail for y'all folks. You know what I'm saying? This is the hood where my grandma and my daddy, most of my family grew up at, you feel me? Most of my folks, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I moved from over here when I was like 1 or 2, but I used to always come back and kick it. Like I said, I still got family members still over here, so, you know what I'm saying? Even though I moved away, you know what I'm saying, I still was throughout this joint, you feel me? So, lady, don't get hit, you feel me? It's a lot of shit, you know what I'm saying? A lot of murders done went down in this bitch. I ain't gonna cap, you feel me? But, you know what I'm saying, here go the park. Man, when I was little, bro, on a Saturday around this time, bro, it'd be so jumping, man. Everybody from the hood would be up there, you feel me? All the OGs and shit. You feel me? But not, you know what I'm saying? That basketball court didn't get built for a minute. That's kind of somewhat still new, but you know what I'm saying? Then you had the store right there, you know what I'm saying? This store where you get everything. It used to be the purple store. People done rebranded that store so many times over there. We got the police right here. I hope he don't care about me recording. Cause he probably be on some fuck shit. You know what I'm saying? They got cameras in the hood, like they monitor this shit. Like, I had a homie, he was standing outside with his illegal gun, and they walked up on him, you know what I'm saying? Just because they seen his gun on the camera, so. But yeah, this Parkway East right here. I used to have a cousin who used to stay over here, so I used to be outside over here. You know what I'm saying? They were there fixing on the truck and whatnot. Man, what's this shit? This a band I got? What's the name up? Wood and shit up. You feel me? So, yeah. I don't witnessed a few shootouts, and then I heard so many gunshots staying in my cousin's house over here, bro. This shit crazy. Glass in the road, don't want to hit that. Yeah, this Parkway East right here. You know what I'm saying? So I used to be all up through here playing and shit. And what's crazy, bro, the vibes, bro. Y'all ever went back to somewhere y'all grew up at and got down, oh, it's a dead end. Y'all ever go back to where y'all grew up at, you feel me? You can just like, all the memories just come back fool, like people running around, you know what I'm saying? Back in my day, bro, I'm saying it like I'm old, bro, I'm only 24. Back in the day, bro, it'd be kids out through this big riding bikes, you feel me? All type of shit. My front windshield ain't tinted, so I'm pretty sure. They're like, what this nigga doing? You know what I'm saying? Too many people ain't over here, ain't trying to do no YouTube or even having a car like this, you know what I'm saying? So they see this car over here, they probably like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? $6,000 car ain't got no business over here. And if you is over here, they feel like you, you know what I'm saying, you sell drugs, whatnot. I don't know, they finna, this is like a two-man right there. They probably finna, you know, tell it right, they finna do the other. You feel me? So, yo, man, this the projects right here, Lincoln Court. You know what I'm saying? If you're from the city, you watching the video, you know. You feel me? So, alright, now I'm finna take y'all, what I'm saying, when I moved away from over here, where I moved to, you feel me? This ain't just, this is when they say let's go to the hood, this is what they call the hood. You know what I'm saying? But really the whole East Jackson is considered, you know what I'm saying, the hood of Jackson, Tennessee. Damn near all the way to, you know what I'm saying, you get out south or even some of West Jackson, North Jackson when you get to the good part. I see somebody on Auntie. They came outside yet. They supposed to be having the fish fry for Granny, so. Bro, I don't see nobody. They ain't outside. Yo, man. This the first hood right here. This is what, you know what I'm saying, we call the hood in Jackson, but like I said, all this shit, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nowhere you wanna live for real, if you like having nice shit and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? One year they segregated all of East Jackson. They like the school system, bro. They put all the kids from out north at one school. So I ain't gonna say, you know what I'm saying, just because you live out north or whatnot, you know what I'm saying, that don't mean you a good kid, a bad kid, or whatever. But you know what the hood is, bro. You say, what side of town you stay on? I stay on the east side. Okay, you know what I'm saying? You stay out north, motherfuckers think you uppity and shit. Bro, he's cutting grass, bro. I just washed my car for the second time today because my pops decided to get his grass cut, so you feel me? And then you got Lane College right over here by the hood, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? If you going to school out here, you feel me? You usually gonna go to Lane College. It's considered a big college, I'm guessing. Let me take y'all to the house. The two houses I stayed the longest in. I ain't gonna just say, you know what I'm saying, because I've been moving around all my life for real. But East Jackson, where I reside, these are two houses, you know what I'm saying, I can always come back to, always call home, you feel me? I stayed there for at least, you know what I'm saying, these houses been in the family for at least 20 years plus before I was even born, and I'm 24, so, you know what I'm saying, let this sink in. So, yo, we finna ride through, you know what I'm saying, two of the main blocks, you feel me? Like where I used to, you know what I'm saying, I used to call my block type shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know, you'll have your friends joking and shit. They be like, this my block. Yeah, don't come on my block, woo, woo. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This the neighborhood where I caught, you know what I'm saying, caught the school bus at, you feel me? Goddamn meadow with my friends, you know what I'm saying? This house right here.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
This house right here, we used to, you know what I'm saying, link up and hoop right there. In that back alley is all fucked up now. We used to, all type of trees and shit, but yeah, we used to hoop back there, you know what I'm saying, the whole neighborhood. But this Hayes Street, you know what I'm saying? They call it Hoover Hayes, but I don't game bang, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? They having some stuff down here right now. I ain't got no gas, I'm riding on E. But, yeah, this the second block, you know what I'm saying? It's where one of the houses where I grew up at, caught the school bus at, you feel me? Just, you know what I'm saying, did a lot of shit for the first time, you know what I'm saying? This house right here, you know what I'm saying, there's 25 plus years in the family, you know what I'm saying? I used to be all up and down here, you feel me? All up through here. Arm getting tired, I should have brought my tripod. You know what I'm saying? We used to walk down here to TR White, you know what I'm saying? What is it, $1, $5 to swim, man? I remember scraping up 4 quarters. There were times I couldn't find 4 quarters, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I got caught stealing for the first time at this store right here, you feel me? Y'all remember when them Earthheads came out, when they first came out, they were half and half? They got something going on, I think it's like a little classroom. But yeah, I got caught stealing out this store for the first time, bro. Y'all remember the little, the half and half Earthheads, they first came out. One half was like green. Excuse me. One half was like green, one half was like pink. I got caught stealing for the first time and they be called the Hayes though, you feel me? And you know what I'm saying? You know they got the D store, if you know, you know. Damn, I'm tripping. They got the D store back that way, you know what I'm saying? You ain't from the J, you ain't never ate at T's and D's, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? The burger barn right here, that's been open for, man, 10 years plus. I remember coming down that bit. My grandma used to give me a hot dog with slaw on that bit. I did not like cold slaw. We used to walk down here and get us a hot dog food. You know what I'm saying? You got the Dodges right there. They done revamped that. You got a, what that is? Side by side the ATV, the tires gone on that bit. They been burning that bit. I ain't gonna cut that bit trim. I ain't gonna lie. It be trim, and it's like a tannish. It be raw. She whipping that bit. It's a lady whipping that junk. Oh, we got a Corvette right there. Old nigga, you know what I'm saying? Them old nigga cars, old nigga driving that bit. Alright, let me go back to the block. This is where a nigga got, you know what I'm saying, first started kissing girls and shit, you feel me? Nigga started kissing girls, dry hunching and shit. This is where a nigga did all that, you know what I'm saying? Me and my partner, you know what I'm saying, my nigga Jarvis, free Jarvis, bro. Drop free Jarvis in the comments, bro. Me and him, you know what I'm saying, got the jacking over here a few times. That's my day one though, bro. We fight, argue all the time, but we, you know what I'm saying, we never fell out, you feel me? We never, you know what I'm saying? Even when we did fall out, that shit always came back the natural way, you feel me? So, free him in the comments, man. That's my mud brother, no cap. This nigga I did everything with, you feel me? I'm talking about everything. Broke the law, all type of shit, bro. Everything, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Here go the club right here, you know what I'm saying? Whoop the whoop, you feel me? Here go, you know what I'm saying? They just reopened this joint. My boy Dino used to own this joint, man. We used to come up here, man. We used to scrape up 50 cents, you know what I'm saying, $1. Get, you know what I'm saying? He used to give us free cakes, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? Then we come over here. You know what I'm saying? I used to catch the bus right there, got in my first fight right there. Look at Granny sitting on the porch. We can go holler at Granny. Granny sitting on the porch. You enjoy your birthday yesterday?
I didn't count the money until this morning.
You ain't count it?
Until this morning.
I gave you with how old you turned and one to grow on.
Oh, yeah. I said thank you.
Yep.
Yeah.
What y'all doing later on? Y'all playing cards?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know what your daddy said. He gonna come back over here.
He gonna come over here? Yeah, you know the fight tonight, Devontae Davis and, you know what I'm saying, some other dude. So I guess they trying to watch the fight or whatnot. But yeah, I'm shooting the video, so I'll be back later on. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get Granny right, you know what I'm saying? Gave her a little cheese for her birthday. pull up on. I was supposed to take her a burr. You know how your grandma get about that burr. But yeah, this the block, man. Grandma don't play about that burr, man. I told her I was gonna see back on for y'all, boy. Granny told me, you know what I'm saying, you forgot my bird. So, you know what I'm saying, I went and got her a bird. She don't know they got a surprise birthday party for her later on. So I just got her right just, you know what I'm saying, cooler into the party and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She had 4 packs of cigarettes and some beer. I went and got her 2 packs of cigarettes and the beer. I ain't go heavy on the beer because they gon', you know what I'm saying, they gonna do their thing for her later on. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? And that's about it, man. Make sure y'all drop a like, a comment, and subscribe, bro. That's my hood vlog, you know what I'm saying? Where I'm from, where I grew up at, you know what I'm saying? Where I did a lot of stuff at. Really just, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I don't stay out here no more, so you feel me? If you trying to try anything at one of these locations, really, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna try shit, you know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't got no ops. I can live peacefully. You feel me? Nobody after me. Feel me? It feel good to be like that, man. If you got ops or you in the streets, man, get out the streets, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you see where I came from, everything I just showed y'all, bro, I'm 24 in a 2024 coming from a place like this. So you feel me? Y'all boys goddamn, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta do what you doing if you doing something, you feel me? And if you doing it, don't do it for the long run, cause you'll eventually get caught, man. You do what you gotta do to come up and go legal with that shit, bro. That's what I'm doing right now, you know what I'm saying? I did what I had to do, stayed down, you know what I'm saying? Bust a couple moves, you feel me? To get right, you feel me? You gotta do what you gotta do when you come from a place like this, because around here, it ain't no networking, you know what I'm saying? It ain't too many people making it out. And if they is networking, it's about some drugs and whatnot, so you feel me? Y'all boys keep your head, man, keep your head on straight, man. If you in some shit, bro, don't stand that shit for the long run, bro. That shit gonna, you know what I'm saying? You gotta trap it out. Whatever you gotta do, bro, do that shit and get out, bro. I'm telling you, because these people ain't playing, bro. They trying to hang you, know what I'm saying? I even just experienced jail for the first time myself. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all want this story time on how I went to jail or when I went to jail. You know what I'm saying? Why I went to jail, really a messed up situation, but you know what I'm saying? I wasn't, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I was in the wrong, so you know what I'm saying? And my boy Tony, he sit on the porch every day and wave at cars. But yeah, you feel me, you know what I'm saying? Like I was saying, man, this where I come from, this where I grew up, did what I had to do. You know what I'm saying? Bust a couple moves and whatnot. I came up. You know what I'm saying? I got away, you feel me? I do not stay here no more. So, you know what I'm saying? If I can do it, you can do it, man. I'm riding, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, bro, my life changed in, 2 years, bro? I done had $120,000 in cars in the last 2 years. You know what I'm saying? I'm grateful, you know what I'm saying? I work my ass off for this shit, too. Don't get it fucked up, you know what I'm saying? I go to work every day for this shit, you feel me? I bust my ass every day, even days I don't want to go, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? While I'm going through shit, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? My life ain't perfect. Y'all just see what y'all see, you know what I'm saying? What I show y'all on this camera, but my life ain't perfect, man. I go through shit, too, just because you got a nice car, couple thousand in your pocket, bro, and you still go through shit, bro. Money can't fix everything, and that's one thing I learned, man. But make sure y'all drop a like on this video, man. Comment down below what y'all want to see. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Go follow the Instagram. The Instagram be going crazy. I be going, you know what I'm saying? The reels be going up, man. And I'm out this bit.